Would you love to see Mason Greenwood playing for Jamaica one day?
Yeah, I would love to see him play for Jamaica one day. He's such a great footballer.
Would you love to see Mason Greenwood playing for Jamaica one day?
Of course, he's a very talented player.
You like to see playing for the Reggae Boys?
I'm a Liverpool fan, and I would love to see Curtis Jones and Harvey Elliott play for Reggae Boys.
Who would you love to see playing for the Reggae Boys?
Mason Greenwood, because he's a talented footballer. I love to see him in a Reggae Boys shirt.
Who would you love to see playing for the Reggae Boys one day?
Mason Greenwood, he's a natural goal scorer.
You're a Manchester United fan?
No, I'm a Manchester City fan.
Alright. Who would you love to see playing for the Reggae Boys one day?
Mason Greenwood,
Why Mason Greenwood?
because he's a great player.
Okay, are you a Manchester United fan?
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. Which player would you like to see playing for the Reggae Boys one day?
Reece Nelson.
Why Reece Nelson?
Reece Nelson is a very technical player and he has this very good quality which would help the Reggae Boys in qualifying for the 2026 World Cup.